All right, so welcome back to the best trading strategy to trade binary options on IQ option. So this is my latest trades. It was profitable, and yeah, today I generated another signal using, as usual, my trading strategy, the strategy that I developed, and yeah, that is based on simple indicators. So if you are interested in learning the strategy before I start, you can take the course from the description of this video. Also, if you are already a student, you can just go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There is some updates to the way I'm using the strategy, especially the way I'm using MACD. Yeah, so just go back there and try to remaster the strategy. Not a big update, but yeah, to the changes happening to the market, we had to update the strategy. So the first trade must be going down. So I'm with the $100. Let's go down. As you can see, I'm trading with $100. I withdrew some of my balance, and yeah, I hope this is going to be a clear signal, a clear uptrend. Yeah, I expect to see some uptrend next taking place. So also, if you don't have, I don't know, you don't want to buy our course, that's okay. You can develop your own strategy, or yeah, watch free videos on YouTube. There's plenty. Read different books, read different articles, and mainly keep testing different strategies on demo account, and hopefully you will find the perfect one that suits your trading type and your trading style. Um, Let me just take this win. All right, the first win. All right. I guess we are going to see from this, yeah, from this level, we are going to see an uptrend taking place. Like the market will try to go back up to, yeah, so this is my latest. Yeah, the market will try to go up. So let's go up. Try to bounce back to the upper band from the Bollinger Band. As you can see, I'm using four indicators: RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and Parabolic SAR. I use my own chart patterns and my own risk management method. Yeah, you can develop your own. So developing your own trading strategy for day trading and scalping, especially when you are trading binary options, you must focus on day trading and scalping. You can use both technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and this requires a structured, yeah, second win. The market will keep going up. I believe we are going to see green candle. I don't know why, but yeah, MACD. So this one was clear. This one was beautiful. I like this type of clear trends. So I believe we should see an uptrend next, perhaps. So let's go up. Let's go higher with $100, and yeah, let's go up. All right. So as I was saying, guys, so using both technical analysis and fundamental analysis requires a structured approach that combines market understanding, discipline, and I don't know how to say it, but a disciplined risk management. You must be so disciplined and respect the rules that you developed with your risk management method, even though it's weak, but you must respect it. At all costs, respect your risk management and the strategy, but the risk management is the most important part. So, in order to develop your own strategy, you must focus on understanding the market and define your objectives at first. So, I know you're a beginner, or your objectives are not clear, but you must define those. So, for example, asset class. So clearly define your the asset the asset class you are focusing on. So you either focusing on stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, binary options. All right, the second, yeah, the third win. This one was the third win. All right. So as I was expecting, but next I guess we are going down. Even we saw that green candle, we are going to see some small downtrend, but it's coming up again. So back to you developing your own strategy. I said you must focus on asset class, either stock, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities, or binary options, or digital options. There's plenty. You must choose one and focus on it. Also, time frame is important because since you are aiming for day trading, of course, or scalping, when we are trading binary options, we either focus on day trading or use day trading or scalping, and the time frames will be a short. Yeah, yeah, it was clear. It was clear. It was beautiful. Today's signal is perfect, easy, and beautiful. I love it. I guess we are going up now. Yeah, now a green candle is guaranteed. See, the market will try to go up. Yeah, MACD is indicating an uptrend. Yeah. So, as I was saying, since we are either day trading or scalping, binary options, of course, uh, you must choose a short time frame. Typically, from 1 minute to some people even use 15 minutes for scalping, and even a few hours when you are day trading. So that's okay when you're day trading using a few hours. Personally, I use 1 minute and that's it. I stick to 1 minute time frames and 1 minute candles. Another win. So let's go up again as usual with $100. Let's go up. Yeah, so as I was saying, time frame, also risk tolerance. Yeah, risk tolerance. I mean, you must assess how much capital you are willing to risk, like per trade. So every trade, how much capital, like percentage from your balance. Typically, it's preferred to use 1 to 2% of your account per trade because it's a safe rule. This is a safe rule. So don't use over or above or more than 1% of your capital. All right. Here I'm using $100. That's less than 100%, but that's okay. I'm in a safe zone here. Yeah. No. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I was expecting an uptrend, but the market keeps giving me this down signals. I guess we should go down. Let's go down. Let's trust this strategy. And this is based on technical analysis purely. So when you are developing your strategy, you can use also fundamental analysis, and also you must define how much emphasis you place on fundamental analysis, like news, earning reports, macro events, versus technical analysis. How much your strategy relies on technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. You must define those in order to create a clear objectives. Let's go up again. Let's go. No, yeah. So this time it's coming up. Let's go up. This time it's coming up. Yeah. So master technical analysis, because if you are day trading or scalping, you must focus on technical analysis more than fundamental analysis. Even though you can focus on short news events and stuff like that, but using technical analysis when you are day trading and scalping is crucial. So you must master support and resistance levels. So this way, you will identify key price levels where assets tends to like reverse or sometimes consolidate. This will help you detect this type of actions happening in the market. These levels, most of the time, provide entry and exit points. Not for me, not for my personal strategy, but most of the strategies works like this. So yeah, so let's go up again. And all right. Also, support after support lines and resistance lines, like trend identifications also is important. Some people, most of the people, most of the traders use moving averages like the 20 period and 50 period EMA. These are frequently used just to identify trends. So the strategy is simply enter trades in the direction of the trend after a pullback to a key moving average. All right, but I don't use this type of simple and basic strategies. Honestly, I developed my own, and this is why I'm advising you to do develop your own strategy. Hope this makes sense. I guess we still have the last trade. It's going up, but the market didn't create the expected uptrend. But let's go up again. I guess this is it. We made 7 wins or 8 wins already. That's beautiful. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. This is not a financial advice. Be careful. You could lose your money trading binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. Trading binary options is risky, and this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. Please educate yourself. Please develop your own strategy. Spend time testing it, back testing it, forward testing it. Put effort. Use demo account. Keep using demo account until you feel like you are experienced enough to use real money, and then you can start using your real money. Great. This is the last trade. Hope that you enjoyed, guys. So yeah, it was a beautiful, yeah, beautiful session. See you later.